Here we go. Here's our first note. 1, 2, 3. We are the beast from brand new soul. We soar among the best. We always strive for greatness to put us to the test. Our full spirit really comes to rest. That's brand new beast we soar. Good. Here we go. Say S. O. Ready? I'll take it. Soar. Soar. Soar, soar, soar. Brand new beast we soar. Drop original. Give yourself a pat on the back, round of applause. All right, thank you very much. And now we sit. All right. Thank you, Grandview. Now we're going to ask Mrs. Swanson and Mrs. Schaefer to come up. And for the first time, they are going to poll and talk about our Soaring at Home splits. So here we have Mrs. Swanson and Mrs. Schaefer. Thank you.
All right, boys and girls, I am super excited to have the job today of pulling out 2 names from each SOAR box for people who soar at home. And not only do you have a chance to earn county sticks in school, now you have a chance to soar at home and earn some study money in school as well. So thank you for participating. These boxes are getting so filled up and I'm so excited to see that. So you're doing a great job. If you don't have any slips in this time, we have lots of time to fill out more slips and put them in the right box. And I'm going to return 2 weeks. When you hear your name, you're allowed to come up and get your $10 in time money that you can spend at the next school store or you can save it. So let's see who is soaring and doing safe. Thank you, Mrs. Swanson. All right, our first winner in the S box is Addison Phillips. And Addison was following all the safety rules at bowling. Nice job. Thank you, Addison. All right, let's hold our applause until the very end. And then after you read them all, you're going to have all big rounds of applause. Who's our next safe friend? All right, I have Oliver Sylvester. Come on, Oliver. Being patient at the bus stop and standing on the sidewalk. Yes, thank you for sharing. Next, we're going to do organized. If you were to be organized and hold and hold out a slip, I'm going to be picking them up. I'm going to try and dig a little deeper this time. There's a lot in here. Somebody to choose from. So this one goes. Aiden. Cleaning and organizing his toys. Congratulations, Aiden. Come on up. That's awesome that you're being organized at home. This box didn't have as many as the other one. Maybe you can start trying to fill up your accepted box a little bit more. We have Clara Jarzal. Shared my toys with my little brother. Awesome job. Yeah. You accepted as your brother. Congratulations. And our next term, accepting. Okay. This is going to have a last name on it. I think I'm going to put that on my screen. Alright, boys and girls, this is when we have a little problem that we try and solve. Please put your last names on your certificate or your slips. This one says Tony. He respects and apologizes when he's wrong. And the last name of the parent starts with an E, maybe Eleanor or something like that. Do we know who we are, Tony? Alright, come on up, Tony. This box is so cool. Can you carry that, Mrs. Wilson? Oh my, that's a heavy one. A lot of respectful students are very big at home. Alright, here we go, Wait. Where's the last name on this one? Yep. Preston Harlan. This week was parents and 9 years old. SOAR slip that we're told today is also on the RLs. Botik Menden. Botik was the last organized and raised back out in the world. Congratulations, Botik.
$8,300 honey sticks have been earned by brand new students. Second quarter. Give yourselves one quick round of applause. And stop. Good. And stop. We gotta work on that. Here's what that means. I need some principals. Some principals that are ready to help with this reward. Mrs. Police, please stand there. Dr. Jablonski, please stand there. All right. You guys have seen a relay race before now. In this relay race, they are getting ready to soar the mighty seas. So, here we have our principals, and we have to get them ready for sea travel. Back here, we have, all the way back here, here's what we have. We have an inner tube, in case of emergency. We have a sun hat down in here, right? In case keep off so you don't get sunburn. There is a basket in there to collect shells and crabs in. We also have a bucket, in case they have to bail water out of their boat, you don't get stranded. A football to toss around to pass the time. Mrs. Police has a better line for Dr. Jablonski. Just saying. We also have a room back there. They gotta work out those abs. And of course, favorite stuffy. We got a favorite stuffy back there because we don't want them to get scared, right? When they're going out on the seas. The last thing, Dr. Jake's gonna like this one. They get a lightsaber calling the Coast Guard in case they rescue. Mateo said, if they're not running, how are we supposed to get the stuff? Oh, we have some sea animals that are helping them. Dr. Jordan. Come on, coach. Oh, Mrs. Jordan. One more time, just bring this back up. All right, so my friends who are in the front, keep yourselves where you are. Do not start creeping forward. All right, you guys have your order? Are you ready to go? You may not go until they have their item. And then when they have their item, the next person will go. Are you ready? Count with me from 3, 2, 1.
Good question, and I don't know. But I do know that V-Bucks are an amazing way to calm down.